Hello, traders. FX Pip Collector here. Today is Sunday, March 30th, and this is my analysis for the Euro-US dollar. If you haven't done so already, definitely do check out my free Discord channel, link down here in the corner at the end of the video. And don't forget to take a quick look at my website, fxpipcollector.com, to gain access to all these benefits listed below and more. So on Friday, late Friday, the euro dollar did end up pushing up like we were expecting. I mean, to me, this definitely looks like a possible ABC correction to this move down. But I do see the possibility that this is an expanding ABC, like a big expanding ABC, and it does just keep on going up. That is definitely a possibility that we need to keep in mind. But if you go back onto the daily time frame, I think that that is most likely not what's going on. I think this is more likely going to be an ABC correction to the uptrend. So I think that this is more likely a wave B that we see on the 1 hour time frame. So I would be paying very, very close attention to my Fibonacci levels. If price makes its way up to any one of these Fibonacci levels, it doesn't have to be to 50%, but I'm just going to show that as an example. If it makes its way up to any one of these Fib levels, makes like that double top breaker structure, engulfing move to the downside with a nice ABC three-wave pullback, then I definitely would take it as a sorting opportunity, potentially for the continuation of the downtrend. Now, it does not have to turn here. It could potentially go up and not break structure and just keep on trending up. Like I was showing on the higher time frames, this could potentially could be an expanding ABC correction, but I think it's more likely that this is a wave B and that this first push down is actually a wave A. So I would definitely be keeping an eye on your fib levels for a possible sorting opportunity. So anyways, don't forget to join my free Discord channel, and as always, thank you for watching and happy trading.